Do you want to know how you can download Wombo Dream on your phone? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download Wombo Dream on your phone. Go ahead and open Play Store, which is on your phone. Go to the search bar and then search for Wombo or Wombo Dream. You can see Wombo Dream is available over here. Go ahead and tap on Wombo Dream and then click install. Wait for a while, and after a while you can notice that Wombo Dream has now been downloaded on your phone and will shortly be installed after a while. You can now start creating and generating art using Wombo Dream. I hope this video about how you can download and install Wombo Dream on your phone was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.